grass in the park. H is for hat, where it's dark. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump, off your 2 feet. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, with the big roar nearby. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for nest, where birds find ease. O is for octopus, in the deep blue sea. P is for penguin, waddling merrily. U is for queen, regal and fair. R is for rainbow colors in the air. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for turtle, slow day and night. U is for umbrella, shelter from rain. V is for violin, a musical refrain. W is for whale, majestic in the sea. X for xylophone, notes play free. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra, in black and white rows. Bounce, dance, 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 dance.